Welcome to Randy's Griddle. This is a channel where there's always something cooking. Okay, what do we got going on today? Today we're going to make chicken quesadillas. You're not going to want to miss this. This ought to be fantastic. But first things first, there's something that you can do to help us out. First, hit that subscribe button down there if you got a chance. Number 2, hit that notification bell. Number 3, share us with your friends. Number 4, if you like what you see, give us that thumbs up. And number 5, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to cut up our chicken. Alrighty. You want small, bite-sized pieces, not too awful big. Put them in this bowl here. All right, that was easy enough. Okay, so the next thing we're going to need, we're going to add in our spices into our chicken. So we need 1 tablespoon of chili powder. We'll add that. I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin. A teaspoon of paprika. One teaspoon of salt. And 1 of oregano. And a tablespoon of olive oil. There's a tablespoon. All right, so we want to mix all that up. Okay, so what I want to do with this is I want to put it in a Ziploc bag. We'll put that in a Ziploc bag. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. Let all them flavors marry up. All right, so I'll put them in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator and we're gonna start working on the vegetables, okay? So I'll be okay. What I'm going to do is get some of our vegetables ready. I won't need all this. I think that should be about enough. And a little bit of onion. Okay, get rid of that. Make sure everything's melting over here. Get our veggies cut up. A little warm out today. Alright, so we got our veggies cut up. Okay, put a little bit of oil down. Get ready to start cooking our chicken. Okay. I wanted to get some of our veggies going. So I got these two burners on high and these two burners off, because I just kind of want a warm station. I just want to tenderize these vegetables a little bit. The chicken smells fantastic. Okay. Okay, so it's time to start building these. So you got a flour tortilla, a little bit of butter, throw it on there. Throw it on there. Move this one down. Give me some room. Okay, so we got that on there. Next thing we want is we're going to use some Mexican style mixed cheese. So we got some cheese on there. So now what we need is a little bit of chicken. Cook is very fast. A little bit of vegetables. Alright. A little more cheese. And then we're going to make a lid. So we're going to butter this lid, but the butter's going to go up. Butter side up. And then I'm going to use, I've got a big spatula here, and boom, look at that. Boom, look at that. And boom, look at that. We're going to let that cook for a second. Okay, push them down a little bit. What we're looking for is all the, oh yes. It is done. All right. Turn the grill off. Okay, let's cut this. Okay. That is all nice and melted and cheesy. That is fantastic. That is very good. Okay. Sorry about eating in front of you. Can't help myself. This is a very simple. It's a lot of prep. Not a lot of prep, but prep. Easy cook, fast cook. Very enjoyable. Last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Randy's Griddle.